Hey guys, welcome to Amy's Kitchen. This is Amy and that's Richie. Richie is very shy today. We are here to meet some friends and share cooking skills. Yay! Today, let's cook fried chicken with mushroom. Its Chinese name is called 香菇炒鸡胸肉. It's savory, tender, rich in umami, easy to make, and pairs perfectly with rice. Look, chicken breast, 鸡胸肉, shiitake mushroom, 香菇, garlic, 大蒜, spring onions, 小葱 are prepared. Cooking oil, 油, soy sauce, 生抽, black pepper powder, 黑胡椒粉, starch, 淀粉, oyster sauce, 蚝油, sugar, 糖 will be needed. Now let's get started. Marinate the chicken breast with 2 spoons of soy sauce, 生抽, a little black pepper powder, 黑胡椒粉, and a little starch, 淀粉. Mix them well and set aside. Heat the pot and add oil. Add chicken breast, 鸡胸肉. Then fry it until set. Sear both sides until pale and almost done. Heat the pot and add oil. Add garlic, 大蒜. Stir fry the garlic until fragrant. Add starchy mushroom, 香菇. Stir fry the mushroom for a minute until get soft. Add chicken breast, 鸡胸肉. Add a little oyster sauce, 蚝油. Add a little sugar, 糖. Add spring onions, 小葱. Stir fry them together and it's done. Wow, it looks great. Please try it. It's dinner time. It tastes so great. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.